Are you confused about what to post on social media for your business? In this video, I will show you how to create 7 days of social media content in just 15 minutes using AI, even if you have no marketing background. Welcome to SmartStep Learning AI for Business Growth. Most business owners struggle with social media. Some post randomly, copies other, and many stop posting completely because they run out of ideas. This leads to inconsistency, low engagement, and no real business results. The good news is you don't need to be a content expert. With tools like ChatGPT, you can create a complete content plan, caption, and hashtag in minutes. Now, let me show you how exactly it works. I opened ChatGPT and I typed this simple prompt that is create a 7-day Instagram content plan for a business type targeting audience. Now, according to your niche, you can choose the business type and the targeting audience, include caption and hashtag. Now I have already, for an example, I have chosen as create a 7-day Instagram content plan for a fitness coach targeting working professional, include caption and hashtag. Now in a second, ChatGPT gives you post idea, caption, and hashtag for the entire week. Now you can see by yourself, like as day 7 days Instagram content plan for a fitness coach for working professional. Day 1, relatable problem, real and causal. Day 2, quick value. And day 3, nutrition tips. Day 4, myth busting, and so on. So you can copy this into a document now. Now you have 7 days of content plan written and ready to post without stress, without overthinking, and without wasting hours. So if you want to grow your business using simple AI tools, follow Smart Step Learning. I share practical AI tips to help business owner save their time and grow smarter. Thanks for watching.